Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Vintage Wallpaper Red Rubber Cling Stamp. I'm going to stamp this onto smooth cardstock with black ink so you can see how beautifully it stamps. I have a few ideas for this stamp set other than Halloween. Mother's Day, this would be gorgeous to create a background for die-cut flowers. Also, vintage Christmas cards. I can see this stamped with red ink on white cardstock. So pretty. Now, if you want to see more inspiration, be sure that you follow us over on Instagram and our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration, and check out the design team members' social media and blogs for inspiration there as well. Now, I have a sample I want to share with you. Here, I use the background stamp for a Halloween card. Real simple. I just heat embossed on a plum colored cardstock with some antique gold embossing powder. Then I went around the edges of my cardstock with plum and tuxedo black inks to darken them up a bit. Added that fun spooky die that was just recently released from Whimsy Stamps to the front of my card with a few little gem stickers to finish it off. And there we have a quick and simple Halloween card. So I really appreciate you guys joining me. I hope you'll continue to join us and check out the reveals. I want to say, be sure to click that bell so you'll be notified when content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.